Hello, we wanted to explain our site and some like nuances of using it. So first of all, if you see things that are not showing up correctly, that is might be because there are essential cookies that needs to be accepted. You can set your preferences or accept here. I'm just gonna accept, and when I do that, things load for me. Now you want, let's say I want to buy this, and then I go to checkout. You can write a prayer request or anything in here and click submit so that it can review the code for you. And the coupons are only available for selected products, usually the downloadable ones, the ebooks one. They have attached coupons to it. Not everything on our websites are eligible for the coupon code. So please check your cart and the total before you purchase anything. So let's say you review it and it gives you the coupon codes available. Then you want to apply it. You will click here to apply the coupon code. Then you will see an updated total, even if the total is $0. However, the billing section still remain. It's a WooCommerce thing. We don't know how to bypass it. So if it's $0 and you don't want to put in your billing address because nothing is going to be billed to you or nothing is going to be shipped to you, that is, you just need to enter your first name, last name, and then for the street address you can just write 123 test and give it a bogus city, state, bogus address, zip code. Ideally you would use an email address and maybe even create an account so that you can log back in to see your downloadables. But even with a bogus email, I believe you can still go through the process and then there will be a download page for you. If there's any questions you have, please let us know. Thank you.